Ever wished your drill could bend like a snake? The flexible drill extension does exactly that. Perfect for reaching screws hiding in tight, awkward corners. A true lifesaver for tricky spots. Bathroom sink clogged? Try this clever trick. Grab the suction top from a liquid soap dispenser. It works like a mini plunger. Instant pressure, instant results. Stubborn rug stain that refuses to go? Here's a sneaky fix. Cut out the damaged patch and replace it with a hidden piece from under the couch or corner. Glue it in place, and just like that, rug looks brand new. Got a dull knife that just won't cut? Here's a trick that will sharpen as a sword. Grab a drill and a few screws, and you can easily bring your blade back to life. Sounds crazy? Wait till you see it in action. What about your old damaged audio disc? Using a drill and being this creative will put a smile on your face. Now you got a sharper friend. Sounds crazy? Wait till you see it in action. Looks like candy, works like magic. This jelly-like cleaning gel gets into every crack and lifts dust and grime from places your hands can't reach. Perfect for keyboards, car vents, and more.